Good morning. Just to show you how a couple tips on getting started with your own YouTube channel. For starters, you just log in with a Gmail account. In my case, I have my school one there ready. And you can either go straight to YouTube or you can scroll down to this app, the YouTube app. And one thing I would suggest is looking yourself up. In my case, I'm the only Amber Bohaychuk that YouTube seems to know about, and it's got a bunch of my recent videos here, okay, that have been uploaded. So you want to make sure that no one else has the exact same content as you, so that you can be found easily. Maybe something a little bit more specific. Yeah, so we might want to put Julie Walker Full Circle Adventures when you're making yours. And then I'm sure it'll lead you through a whole bunch of other items to go through. But really the main piece is to upload a video. You click this in the corner here. And you just drag and drop from your screen. Okay, like this particular movie, whatever I had. Or you select it from your desktop, wherever you had a video. And it will upload for you. Then I'll just grab one as a sample. And one thing that's nice about it is you can click whether you want to title it, obviously, and you can change it whether it's made for kids or not. And you can also click whether it's private or not. Yeah, I'm not sure where the button is at the moment on this. I tend to use some on my phone and some everywhere else. But then you can send those links to people, which is quite handy. Oh yeah, here's the visibility. Okay, so this is where you set it as public. Anybody can watch it. And then private is nice for, say, your home movies, if you want to just have somewhere to store things. Okay, yeah, and here's the link. You just copy that and send it to anyone you want, or in my case, I post it on my website. And it's a very handy tool.